Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with two personal box breaks for Glenn H. 2013 Topps Prime Football. And away we go. There's the two boxes. Topps Prime. And Glenn, let me give it a little bit of that Case Breaker stabbing for you. Try to pull you some more mojo, my man. Glenn says, don't give me one, give me two. If you're gonna play with the big boys, you gotta play big. All right, Glenn, good luck, brother. See if I can get you some boom, baby. Glenn, do you want me to show the base cards or you don't need to see them? You tell me. Well, until I hear from you, I'll show them to you. Ben Jarvis, Green, Ellis, DeMarcus Ware, Nick Foles, and a prime performance, Lamar Miller, and a gold, C.J. Spiller, and the rookie, there you go. I know you're going to like that one, Kenny Stills. Okay, he says no deal. No show in the base. Okay. All right. That's a gold Janoris Jenkins, and the rookie. That's a nice one, Cordell Patterson. Didn't see one of him in 6 boxes last night. All right, I'll breeze through them for you. We'll breeze through them. Antonio Gates, AJ Green, Mike Wallace, and we have an autograph here, I believe. Yep, we do. Eli Manning gold. I can use that, Glenn, if you want to trade it to me. Terrence Williams, and let's see who your autograph is. Oh, it's a Cowboy. Gavin Escobar. Nice one, buddy. That's going to be number 8 of 99. Nice first autograph, buddy. Alright, what do we have in this pack? We have a hit. Antonio Gates, Sidney Rice, Eric Decker, Brandon Marshall. There's a nice one. Denard Robinson, bronze, number 298 of 350. That is a nice one. And let's see what we have here. I think it's the right team, wrong player. Marquise Goodwin, quad relic autograph, 248 of 499. I'm sorry, 449. 449. That was the right team, Glenn. Just not who we wanted. Steven Jackson, LaShawn McCoy, David Wilson, Janoris Jenkins. Oh, we got another relic in here. There's a nice rookie, Giovanni Bernard. All right, let's see if we can pull something nice. Oh, there's a nice one, buddy. Cordell Patterson quad relic. Oh, thank you, Glenn. I appreciate it. I'll send you something, brother. I got something for you. 7 of 94. That's a nice one. Very nice hit, Glenn. Ray Rice. Sidney Rice. Brown Rice. AJ Green. Mike Wallace. And we hit another one in here. First, we'll go to the Jordan Reed Gold. That's a nice one. Been playing very well. 38 of 250. And let's see what we have here. Nice. Christine Michael dual relic. That's number 11 of 99. I know there's some people who are in the breaks who want that card. Uncle Ben's rice. White rice. I'm on it like white rice. White on rice. All right. Victor Cruz. Ed Reed. DeMarco Murray. Andrew Luck. Darren Sproles Gold. I know you like that one. Darren Sproles Gold. And a Stedman Bailey. Ryan Tannehill, Patrick Peterson, Luke Kuechly, Kyle Rudolph, Marquise Goodwin primed rookies, and a Keenan Allen rookie. No, I'm not tired tonight at all. Not tired at all. RG3. Demarius Thomas, Julio Jones. There's a nice one. Prime timer is Cam Newton. A gold Benjarvis Green Ellis and an Aaron Dobson rookie. Actually, what it is, Kyle, I got new glasses and I'm trying to adjust to them because I've seen the cards better without the glasses on. Victor Cruz, Ed Reed, DeMarco Murray, Andrew Luck. We just saw all those in the last pack. But there's a nice one. Prime timers Andrew Luck. And the rookie is Le'Veon Bell. All right, nice box, Glenn. Very nice box. Now let's get to box number 2. Gotta give it a little more stabbing for you, Glenn. Alright, that'll do it. That is some mojo. Put something nice for Glenn in here. Oh, it's a very nice box, Glenn. I wouldn't complain with that box. And we have a hit right in pack number 1. We sure do. Good team, too. Matt Ryan, Bobby Wagner, J.J. Watt, Darren Sproles, and here you go, Joseph Randall, gold rookie, 171 to 250. All right, I know the team. I don't know the play. I have an idea. Hey, what's up, Jerry? How are you, brother? Ooh, it's who I thought it was. Vance McDonald, quad jersey auto, 413 of 449. Nice hit, buddy. Jerry, Julio Jones, T.Y. Hilton, Vernon Davis, and a Justin Hunter Prime Rookies, gold card Andre Johnson, and Barkevius Mingo rookie. For everyone who's here, I have 3 spots left in the mixer. Just 3 spots. We can get this filled tonight. Jamal Charles, Vic Ballard, Josh Freeman, Clay Matthews, Ace Sanders rookie. And we have something here. What do we have here? A rookie jersey for the Cowboys, Joseph Randall. 77 of 170. Nice hit. Glenn stocking up on those Cowboys. Wes Welker, Reggie Wayne, Justin Blackmon, Danny Amendola. I pulled a nice autograph out of his at 25 last night of this. Brandon Marshall. And the rookie is Jarvis Jones for the Steelers. Yes, Jerry, that's the one. The regular prime might not fill because there's 13 spots left. Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Joe Flacco, Tony Romo, Kendall Wright Prime Performance. And the rookie, that's a nice one, Eddie Lacy. Still 2 more hits. Glenn, 2 more, baby. JPP, Darren McFadden, Arian Foster, there's going to be one of them. RG3 Gold, nice hit. I pulled it off, Kyle, because I don't have any more Prism. Mike Glennon rookie. And let's see what your autograph is. It's a bronze, 88 out of 99. Nice, buddy. Look at that. Oh, Giovanni Bernard, 88 out of 99. That's sick. That's a little boom baby right there. Good hit, Glenn. Rob Gronkowski, Dougie Martin, Stephen Ridley, Andy Dalton, and a gold Josh Freeman. And the rookie is Desmond Trufant. Kyle, first of all, I have to check that out. I have to check out because I don't know if you got your 3 already. I have to look. And secondly, I didn't sell out all my Prism. I had to use it for the mixer. Jaquez Rogers, C.J. Spiller, Alfred Morris, and a prime timers Andre Johnson. And a gold parallel Dez Bryant. And the rookie, Denard Robinson. 2 packs left with 1 hit. And the hits in here, buddy. Dwayne Allen, Randall Cobb, Greg Jennings, Andre Johnson, and Tavares King rookie, and that's a bronze, number 25 out of 350. And your relic is going to be Marcus Wheaton for the Pittsburgh Steelers, number 82 of 165. All right, buddy, last pack for you. Michael Crabtree, Roddy White, Brandon Pettigrew, Troy Polamalu, Frank Gore Gold, and the rookie, Jonathan Franklin. All right, Glenn, there you go. Nice 2 boxes. That Bernard was sick, brother. The Vance McDonald was nice, too. Guys, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow me on Twitter at TheCaseBreakers and check out my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is TheCaseBreakers. Boom, baby!